my lovelies! This is Liane from Resin Shine Creations. Welcome to my channel and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will be making coasters from epoxy resin using Puddle technique. And here are all the colors that I will be using. And as you mostly know, my favorite colors are blue and green, and that's why I will be using mostly those colors this time. So the first thing I'm doing is I am dividing my resin and all the colors in separate pots, and this is lovely blue from Miss Colorberry. I would say at the moment it's one of my favorite pigments, and I will tell you later why. I'm not sure if I'm right, but I have a suspicion. So this is a lovely green from Just For You Online UK. It is quite a lot of pots to mix this time, so I sped up quite a bit for you. But if you don't want to watch it, just skip it until I'm starting to pour. And this is another lovely, very dark green from Just For You Online UK. So I mostly use mica powders, but to mix it up I add as well paste and green alcohol ink from Piñata. And this is funny one because on the bottle it says green, but as I mix it up it looks more like teal / turquoise. So in a little pot I'm mixing my white paste. I need just a little bit of it. And the last one is the floating gold. Also, I have just a tiny bit of resin, I would say about 15 grams there. And just a tiny bit of this pigment goes a long way. So, now it's the fun part and I will start to pour. So I'm starting off going the edge with the dark blue, and yeah, I think I will just add some music in background and let you enjoy this process as it is. It has no rules. You just do as you feel. There is no right or wrong. In the end, the magic will happen. Anyway, the resin will mix how it likes to mix because it has mind on its own. So yeah, I will let you enjoy and come back later. So I have almost poured all my colors. This is the last of my transparent that I have left. As you know, we resin artists try to use up all the resin so there are no wastages. And this time, instead of any gold flakes, I decided just to stick with floating gold because I have a suspicious that this side will be the top one, and usually the flakes sink or the resin goes over and you can't really notice any. So this is my way to keep the gold still visible, and yeah, so I don't need to worry about the flakes. And for this, really, you don't need a lot of pigment and a lot of resin, just a little bit. 15 milligrams is enough. And now I'm done pouring and you can see the magic happening. And this is why I fell in love with resin. This is about 15 minutes after pouring. And I will take you a bit closer to see the beautiful effects that are happening, and I really love it at this stage, and yeah, can't wait to demold them. So it is the next day and this is my beautiful coasters. They look stunning. I'm really happy. And yeah, let's demold them and see. The back side is matte. I expected that because I see that this is the beautiful side. And I mentioned before this dark blue pigment. I'm not sure if it's Miss Calaberry's pigment only or other pigments as well, but this is already second time that I get this beautiful pattern with this blue color. And yeah, I will experiment in the future and will let you know. And also probably will purchase some other Miss Calaberry's pigments to see if it's really her pigments that do these nice striations, how people say. And yeah, this is the finished result. I painted the edges gold and put another top coats, and they are stunning. I absolutely love them. And this technique is one of my favorites and they come out fabulous. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!